Have you ever sat down to do something important and then suddenly found yourself scrolling on your phone, watching random videos, or checking notifications for no reason? You told yourself just 5 minutes. But before you know it, an hour has passed. If this sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone. The truth is, you're not just distracted. You're addicted to distraction. And here's the scary part. It's not your fault. Your brain is wired to seek dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Every time you check your phone, scroll social media, or jump from task to task, your brain rewards you with a small dopamine hit. Over time, your brain gets used to this instant reward, making it harder to focus on anything that doesn't give you immediate gratification. That's why reading a book, working on a long-term goal, or even sitting in silence feels boring, because your brain craves the quick and easy hit of dopamine instead. But here's the good news. You can break this cycle in just 24 hours. For the next 24 hours, cut out all low-value distractions. No social media, no mindless scrolling, no YouTube binges, no unnecessary notifications. At first, it'll feel uncomfortable, almost like withdrawal. That's normal. It means your brain is resetting. Instead of reaching for your phone, do something that requires deep focus. Read a book, journal your thoughts, go for a walk without listening to anything, or work on a project without distractions. At first, these might feel boring, but after a few hours, your brain will start to adjust. You'll feel more focused, more clear-headed, and even calmer. If you don't control your environment, distractions will control you. So, put your phone in another room while working. Use website blockers to stop mindless browsing. Schedule specific times for checking messages instead of reacting instantly. Small changes like these create huge results over time. If you feel like you're addicted to distraction, it's not a personal weakness. It's just how your brain has been trained. But the good news? You can retrain it. Try this 24-hour challenge, and I promise, you'll notice a difference. You'll feel more in control, more focused, and more productive than you have in a long time. The question is, are you willing to try? Let me know in the comments if you're up for the challenge.